Are you also having a pilot training school? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pilot training school business. Having a pilot training school, you got many queries from your students such as types of courses you are providing to them, installment plans and admission process. Responding each and every student manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your students send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pilot training school business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your students instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of pilot training school, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Skywings Aviation Academy. Your journey to the skies starts here. How can we assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is types of courses, installment plans and admission process. If I click on types of courses, then you can see it will provide me the types of courses they are providing to their student. That is student pilot license, private pilot license, commercial pilot license, type rating courses and flight instructor rating. Now if I'll click on admission process, then you can see it will provide me all the details about the admission process in this pilot training school. Also giving me one button, that is contact us. If I'll click on this, then it will provide me the contact details. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your pilot training school business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right-hand side, you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the Flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI Assistant, in where you can train AI Assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the Activity Log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the Settings and the 11th one is the Get Help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our pilot training school business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user send to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your student that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of pilot training school. After that, I want to write one welcome message for them. For that, I am taking one media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image of my pilot training school. By clicking on this, here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my welcome message. You can also write caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it, while at the end of this message you can see I'll ask my student that how can we assist you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some quick buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box. Here I am providing them three buttons, that is types of courses, installment plans and admission process. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote it here. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here my flow starting point is connected to my message. Now if my students wants to explore the types of courses that are available in my pilot training school, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the types of courses that are available in my pilot training school. Here I write it. Now the next one is the installment plans. If my students will click on this, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details about the installment plans. Here I write it. Now the last one is the admission process. If my students want the details about admission process in my pilot training school, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. It will provide me one message box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image related to my pilot training school. By clicking on this, here I uploaded. Now I want to give some more details about the admission process. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details. Here I write it. Now I am giving them one button, that is contact us. Here I provide it. Now if my students wants to contact with me, then they will click on this contact us button. So my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the contact details of my pilot training school. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your pilot training school business. You can also add many buttons and create your WhatsApp chatbot according to your preference. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your students like this. It will provide them admission process, contact details, and the courses that are available in your pilot training school. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.